Alright, today I'm doing this house. I have my water fed set up. This is French Pain City right here. Alright, now there's some people in here with some great ideas and innovating type minds. I'm talking about regular people, fellow tradesmen like you and me, who just know what they want. You know what I mean? They just have a good brain about the field that they're in, because their mind is sharp. It's always thinking of better ways to make our job easier and more efficient. As well we should be if you're going to be in this business for the long haul. Now Travis, across the pond, he's a fellow tradesman. Not many people know about this guy at all, but this guy has good good thoughts and good brainstorming. He finds problems and he solves them, as well as he's given me some tips and I've given him some ideas for him to focus on. But he actually suggested that I pre-clean with tap water first, and then follow up with distilled water. I never thought of that, and as easy as it sounds, some people don't think of that, and if you have the time and you're not really concerned about how fast you get the job done, but you're more or less trying to do a thorough job and conserve on water if your resin's running low, or if you're working like me by way of backpack, you can conserve on your water this way. Surprisingly, I did some of these French panes, and there was only like a few windows that had spotting. I went over it again just because I'm a stickler like that. I'm thorough. I just don't want any spots to be there, as well as shouldn't be. But for that tap water to have that much TDS in there and it not produce that many spots, that's pretty extraordinary. Matter of fact, I think that's darn good. I don't know, leave a comment and let me know if you experienced that. I guess each area is different with the amount of TDS in there, of course, but I think it's more or less that rinse bar. If you have a good rinse bar, you could probably get away with a lot of tap water cleaning, especially on filthy windows. You definitely want to pre-clean those with tap water, so you're not wasting all your water scrubbing the heck out of the glass. At least you can scrub the heck out of glass with garbage water, you know what I mean? And then come by with a quick scrub and a rinse to finalize it with the distilled reverse osmosis water, whatever you got in your tub there, or your reservoir. But if you take a look at here, I normally do this traditionally. This will be the first time I use the water-fed pole on a part. You see that? There is no water-fed brush that can actually fit in there. All right? You see what I'm working with, right? There is no brush that can fit in there. So what I decided to do is, it's all about having the right tools. And having the right tools is half the battle. G.I. Joe, the greatest American. All right. So this could definitely, hold on, let me show you. All right, no pure water brush or device on God's green earth is going to let you get in between there. That's streamlined like that. All right, except for this Wagtail Wave. Now this is designed to get in tight spots. Now if I'm wrong, and if there's something else similar that can get in tight spots like that, then you comment and let me know, because I like to have the right stuff, man. And if it's better than Wagtail, then I'm gonna give it a try. So far, nothing's better than Wagtail for me. All right, because if that was the case, I will be using it. Well, you saw me. I tried different products over the years since I had my channel. Mormon Accelerator. That couldn't hold up to the abuse of my heavy-handedness. And I just busted up their tools. I'm sorry, they just made a cheap plastic. But, hey, it may not fall apart in other people's hands. But all I got to say is, out of everything I've used so far, my hands like Wagtail. And Wagtail has never let me down, nor broke or fell apart or exploded in my hands. But this is Masters at Work, and I'll back at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one. What? Hey, I'm really impressed with the way this came out. This was so much faster. Probably can't tell on camera, but that did the trick. The Wagtail Wave, it did the trick. Outstanding. Marvelous. Simply marvelous, darling. Alright, so let me get packed up and another job bites the dust. This is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.
Them girls just they feel me